If Grammarly is showing a WebSocket error, don't worry. This is usually a connection issue, not a problem with your account. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Grammarly WebSocket error quickly and safely so you can get back to writing with real-time suggestions working again. And if this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's start with the most common cause. Grammarly uses WebSockets to send live suggestions in your browser, and VPNs, proxies, firewalls, or security tools can block that connection. So first, temporarily disable your VPN or proxy if you're using one. If you're on a work, school, or restricted network, that network may also be limiting WebSocket traffic. After turning off the VPN or proxy, refresh Grammarly and check whether the error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear the site data for Grammarly. This helps remove corrupted cookies or stored browser data that may be interfering with the connection. Open Grammarly in your browser, then look at the address bar and click the site information icon. From there, choose cookies and site data. Next, click Manage on-device site data. You should now see stored data entries related to Grammarly. Click the trash icon next to each entry to remove it, then click Done. Once that is finished, close the tab and reopen Grammarly. Sign in again if needed and test whether the WebSocket error is fixed. In many cases, clearing this site data resets the browser connection and allows Grammarly to reconnect properly. If the error only appeared in one browser, try the same process in another browser to see whether the problem is browser-specific. If you're still having trouble, check whether any browser extensions, ad blockers, antivirus tools, or firewall settings are interfering with Grammarly. Some privacy extensions can block the scripts and network requests Grammarly depends on. Try disabling extensions one by one, then reload the page and test again. Also, make sure your browser is fully updated, since outdated browser versions can sometimes cause connection issues with modern web apps. Another helpful step is to restart your browser completely, or even reboot your computer and router if your connection seems unstable. A fresh session can clear temporary glitches that affect WebSocket communication. If you're on public Wi-Fi or a network with strict filtering, switching to a different network can also help you confirm whether the issue is being caused by the connection itself. So the main fix is simple. Disable VPN or proxy restrictions, clear Grammarly's site data, and then test the connection again. In most cases, that's enough to solve the WebSocket error and restore Grammarly's real-time suggestions. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Grammarly issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.